Canelo Alvarez.
This is going to be a vicious knockout. Vicious.
And when will we see this Canelo next? Cinco de Mayo against who?
5 de Mayo. Whoever, I don't care.
Bakbagang Mexico kontra Mexico. Ito po ang isa sa mga laban na kinaabangan ngayon sa mundo ng professional boxing. At ito na nga po ay ang banggaang Canelo Saul Alvarez at Jaime Munguia, na kung saan ay maglalaban ang dalawang ito sa 168 pounds super middleweight division, na kung saan ay nakataya ang lahat ng mga titulo nitong si Canelo. Marami po ang nagsasabi na hinog na dumano itong si Munguia sa magiging laban na ito at handa ng talunin ng isang Canelo Alvarez. Si Munguia po mga idol ay isang undefeated knockout puncher na kung saan ay mayroon itong kasalukuyang kartada na 43 panalo, walang talo at mayroong 34 na nanakaw dito sa kanyang 43 na ipanalong mga laban. Si Jaime Munguia ay may isang suntok na pwedeng tumapos ng laban. Kumbagay sa oras na napalaban na ang boksingerong ito ay hindi ka po talaga pwedeng kumurap mga idol, dahil sa anumang oras ay pwedeng matapos agad ang laban. At subok na rin ang stamina ni Munguia na kung saan ay kaya po nitong makipagsabayan sa kanyang kalaban hanggang sa sukdulang 12 rounds nitong kanilang laban. Kaya naman ay sigurado na pagpapawisan din po talaga ang itlog nitong si Canelo sa laban na ito, dahil sa literal na bardagulan po talaga ang ating maaaring matungayan sa kanilang magiging sagupaan. Ang estilo kasi nitong si Munguia ay isang pressure volume puncher. Kumbaga ay Mexican style talaga mga idol, na talagang handang sumalubong at saluhin ang mga suntok ng kalaban, magdikit lamang ang kanilang katawan. Pero ang magiging malaking katanungan po kasi dyan mga idol, kung uubra nga ba ang estilo na ito ni Munguia para idikdik sa lona ang isang Canelo Alvarez. Dahil sa kung matatandaan po natin mga idol ay katulad din itong si Munguia ay isa rin pong agresibong boksingero itong si Canelo, na mahilig ding sindakin ng kalaban gamit ang kanyang lakas, na kung saan ay naging pangunahing dahilan lang naman kung bakit nagawa niyang madomina ang kalaban sa unang bahagi pa lamang ng laban. Ang style po kasi nitong si Saul Canelo Alvarez mga idol ay maaga itong nagpapakawalan ng mabibigat na suntok para sa gayon ay sindakin ng kanyang kalaban, katulad na lamang ng ginawa nito kay Jermel Charlo. Di ba dahil nga sa maagang naramdaman itong si Charlo ang lakas ni Canelo, ay kaya naman hindi nailabas ni Charlo ang pagiging agresibong boksingero nito, na kung saan ay naging isang defensive boxer na lamang na malayong malayo sa kanyang nakugaliang estilo sa laban. At dito na nga po papasok ang naiisip ko na pwedeng maging pangunahing bintay sa laban. At dito na nga po mga idol ay ang style makes fight. Kumbaga ay kung makakayanan po nitong si Jaime Munguia ang mga solidong suntok nitong si Canelo at magawa niyang makapagbato ng suntok sa tuwing si Canelo ay papasok sa kanyang depensa nang walang pakundangan na talinlangan, ay maari pong makasabay itong si Munguia sa kanilang magiging sagupaan. Pero kung makakaramdam po ng takot si Munguia sa laban na ito dahil sa mabigat na suntok na pwedeng ibato nitong si Canelo, ay siguradong tapos na po agad ang laban mga idol, dahil sa siguradong pipit-pitinan nitong si Canelo ang kanyang kalaban hanggang sa ito'y tuluyang mangayaw sa laban. Nalalaman po kasi itong si Canelo sa experience mga idol, na kung saan ito ang magiging pangunahin niyang sandata para durugin ang mas bata niyang makakalaban. Kaya naman yan sa tingin niyo mga idol, kayang manalo nitong si Munguia sa magiging laban na ito? I-comment nyo na po ang inyong magiging komento para sa gayon ay atin niyang mapag-usapan dito sa ating comment section. At bago po natin masaksihan ang laban na yan, ay sabay-sabay po muna natin ngayong panoorin ang laban ng Miguel Cotto at Saul Canelo Alvarez.
I think Cotto off married so far. Then we go to round two, the color bomb shirt and white. But Alvarez is the sort of guy that's bouncing on his toes. Cotto is going to jab his way in there, getting outside. He went with the right hand, set him up with a couple of jabs. He's got to jab him off. If he can't let him get that close, it's because his power factor. If he doesn't, we can expect it. Keeping his distance perfect and sits in. Rolling the nose to all the way up. 75 gold on his feet as he's going after Canelo. He's up on his toes and he's gliding. He looks Cotto just has to tuck the ring over. Cotto's going to go to the second round. Canelo's counting. Good right now. He's landed heavier shots than
Dijo, hay que estarlo pintando. Cuando te ataca, nomás déjamelo corto.
Cotto brings the right hand right down the middle. Splits Cotto rounds and other people have it split. So here we go in round number 3. Alvarez with the left of his force at the adrenaline flow now with Canelo Alvarez. You're talking about quickness of the hands. That traded his on either ball Alvarez. See if you bring something behind it. Oh, we haven't seen it. You hear Robert Burns saying, keep him up. Right hand over the top, nice move by Canelo. See him shooting a jab right down the middle. Catches Cotto. Here we go, round number 4. I've got Alvarez on. Take a punch from as we get down the line. Trying to catch him late in the fight. Look at his back. I thought he followed with another shot. That's the punch to the beat of his head. But boy, it sure looked good. It's his left hand when he pulls it back. And the big right hand that did catch him was because of that. Good shot from Cotto. You gotta keep throwing. You gotta keep throwing. Over just like that. Solid shots that really damage. He's gonna sneak off this left shoulder. Over a nice shot, jab, jabbing and bouncing out. No run, still totally
Pegas, te sales. Derecha arriba y rectea más, güey.
Forward with the jab to the bite, tries to bring the right hand over top, gets him. Good. I went the other way. You said Cotto, right? Yeah, I mean, he's definitely boxing well. But Canelo Alvarez to the left of his screen, body shot landed by Cotto. I'd like to see it. But you're right, arguing with you. That punch keeps landing there. It just wears. This is round 5. It's scheduled to throw. And in the big trunks, good. There's that right hand again. Even Canelo's jab is a hot. The right hand is there, the uppercut is there. To the credit of Canelo, Cotto continues to box. Canelo goes the right hand again. Alvarez is, doing damage with those shots. He doesn't. Leans over to his left. That was an excellent movement in and out. It's going to drop in big wind-up uppercut by Canelo.
So here we go, round number 6 at the...
Pick up the pace, I think.
Yeah, he just stands in the body. He'll set things up in his left. But still, Alvarez is close to the bell. That's it. Alvarez.
Guys, let's go to Michael Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mexico.